Hey, welcome to this video. Valentine's Day is coming up real quick, and I thought it would be fun to do one of my old hair tutorials that I did a long time ago called the heart loop, half up heart loop something. So it was really cool because I had like a heart kind of like in the back of my hair. So I thought, let's do it. It seems like it's the right season to do it. And I have my supplies here, which is just gonna be, I might need some bobby pins, so I'm just got some bobby pins. And then I got some pink elastics. So yeah, first step is I'm just gonna brush a little bit. There we go. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna grab a section on this side and then a section on the other side. And then, so I'm going to take these two sections and then just tie it in the back like that. Cool. Okay, so the next part is we're going to grab a section of hair that is underneath. And you want this section to be a bit thick. So what this is we're looping it around the back. I'm gonna try to do it. Okay, so first we're going to loop. If you can see, we're gonna lift up here, the pieces on the bottom, and then we're gonna loop it through like that. Okay. Whoop. My loop got really messy. I'm gonna do it again. Open that up. Whew. Okay. So this is like the top of the heart, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to take that and then I'm going to secure it with a bobby pin. So that's how the first loop should look. I just put a bobby pin right up there. And then, so then this will kind of come down like that. So that's like one side of the heart. So I'm gonna do the other side. Now that I kind of figured it out, I'm gonna do the other side here with my back facing to the camera. Sorry, I just forgot how to do the loop. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to take a bobby pin. Nice, okay, so now I have these two loops, and now I'm going to join it with our original tie with an elastic, like that. And tie it. Okay, so here is the heart. Yeah. I hope that was easy for you to understand. I got a little bit confused, as you could tell. And yeah, I'm really happy with the way it turned out. All right, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.